and my dear audience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shaki Zarin Fatih. You can call me Shakis. I am in the 3rd grade of SD Ma'arif Jokosari Pandaan. Today, I want to tell you about how to make Telang squares. Tara! The things that you need to make Telang squares are Telang flower or butterfly, pea flower or blue flower. It has many benefits such as improving brain memory, reducing stress, improving mood, anti-cancer potential, and etc. Next, you need some sugar, lemongrass, lemon squeeze, mint, and some ice cubes optional. The steps are: first, boil Telang flower and lemongrass. I don't boil here, but tada! I bring a bottle of Telang syrup here. Its contents of Telang flower and lemongrass. It's practice. Then prepare the glass and pour Telang syrup on the glass. After that, add water and spoonful of sugar. Next, stir it well. You can add lemon squeeze. And stir it again. Don't forget, add some ice cubes on it. Finally, garnish it with lemon squeeze, mint, and straw. Wow, it's look yummy. The Telang squares is ready to drink. Refresh yourself with this drink. It's healthy and fresh. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.